Here's how we banked another $700 live trading oil futures using the QuantVue indicators. Stay until the end because I cover the entire pre-market analysis, what I'm looking for step by step, and how I manage my risk while in these trades. Be sure to like and subscribe. Let's dive right in. Okay, so I've got crude futures pulled up here. 1 second data feeding into a 0.07 box Renko. Pointed this out in our last crude video. I'm using the Q line indicator. Here are the settings I'm going with, using a more broad band deviation, more of a higher time frame outlook. And then I've also got the money ball here. So really what I'm doing, and when I am using this higher time frame Qwave set, are playing the price action off of these bands. So today, this morning, I'll be looking for some retracements back down to this demand zone here, this support level. Starting to get a few rejections here off of this Qwave ribbon. So might look to go play a short move to the downside about, what is that? An hour to market open here on Monday morning. So really just playing this band strategy. So as you can see up here, really we briefly broke above it here on Friday, but we've just been in this downtrend after we got this pretty substantial move up last week. So, and I guess the last week or so, we've been on pretty strong uptrend. So played the short side here last week in the previous recording, have these support and resistance levels mapped out. We go over this in our 10 plus hours of trading content that's included with every single membership. Chris, our institutional trader, has been trading for almost 3 decades, goes over how to properly map these price pivots out and how to trade them using the QuantVue indicators. Might throw on one contract here, play this downside just because we got another rejection off of this Qwave ribbon here. Then starting to get some bearishness here on the money ball. So might look to chew off a little move to the short side here.
Order filled.
Go ahead and go short here at 91.20 and then just stops above this most recent pivot here. See if I can't get a quick one-to-one scalp here pre-market. Might look to add into it if we get another break below this midline here. Try to get a pushback down to the bottom part of this Qwave band here. If we do Renko brick print here, I'll go ahead and add one more. See if we can't get a nice push down. I just really don't like anything to the upside here. We've gotten just constant rejection off of this upper band all of last week. This was really our only push up. I'll go ahead and add another one here.
Order filled.
And then I will go ahead and put the take profit 2 down here at a 2-to-1, which would just be this little support level down here at, what is that? About 90.71. Looks like we're going to be retesting the Qwave ribbon here pretty soon. Also in the training is the price patterns module. As you can see, you got this little M pattern here. So main things in those training videos are price patterns. Well, more importantly, trade location, trade location, trade location, and then price patterns. Chris really emphasizes those 2 aspects of trading when using the QuantVue system and really trading overall. And then obviously risk management is arguably more important than all of that. Okay, getting a break below this midline here. Buyer stepped in here earlier, so we'll see if we can't get a push down, at least into a, once we hit that 1-to-1, I'll move stops to break even, which would basically be these levels here that we were previously at. What is that? Early this morning. One of the strategies that we use with the system is moving those stops to break even once you get that 1-to-1. That way you've taken profit off the table and you can basically let your runners run. Trying to get to that take profit 1. This looks like it could be the move down we're looking for.
Order filled.
Okay, 1-to-1 hit. I'll go ahead and move stops just above. I'll go break even on those and then take profit 2 down here just at this most recent support. So we'll see if we can't pick up a nice little 2-to-1 to start the day. Didn't put too much size on this morning. Just the fact that we're, pre-market, it's Monday. A lot of news this week. So shaved off a nice 250 there. Trading crude futures. Stops to break even and in a risk-free trade. I still like this move. once again, just playing the bounce off this Qwave ribbon here. You know, we got this little M pattern up into this resistance level, which was previously support, and then got this dip below the ribbon, retested here. I got in around here once we got rejected for a third time. So we got one rejection, two rejection, and then this third rejection that made me favor a downside play, and then just targeting just above this previous support level, which was a resistance level. What is that, last week? So trading Qwave, big push down here. Can we get ticked out? Buyers stepping in.
Order filled.
Okay, there we go. Quick, what is that? $700 to start the morning. Very straightforward strategy. Just playing the Qwave ribbon and the Qwave bands and watching price action. You know, you can see here on normal candlesticks, this little M pattern, head and shoulders, making lower highs, and then combine that with the indicators for added confirmation, and you are able to find good trade setups. If you want access to this exact same indicator toolkit and you want to join dozens of our members posting profits like this every single day, click the first link in the description. You can get started 100% free for 7 days. We have members in here posting their profits every single day. It's by far my favorite channel in the QuantVue community Discord. Be sure to like the video, comment which markets you love to trade, and that's all I got for you today. See you tomorrow.